What's happening, party people? Hey, I just wanted to let you guys know I am still adding items for sale on the website. People need parts. A lot of people don't know where to find them. I get requests almost every day for a part that people can no longer find for sale in the retail market. So I am gathering the parts that I already have and going to get more parts that people may need and posting them on my website. One common part right now is the driver's door latch for the P80S and V70 cars. Those door latches are worn out, they're breaking at a rapid rate. I do have a couple of those in stock that I can pass on to people so they can get their door working. Some of those latches are broke to the point that you can't just open them and continue to use them. You have to butcher those latches to get them out. And I have a couple of those in stock. I also want to let you know that I have a couple of P80 wagon rear wings that I have for sale, different colors. I have a airbag cover for a tan dash that is on my website for sale. So you could go to my website, find those items. At the top of just about every page, there's a little search magnifying glass. You touch that magnifying glass, you type in something like airbag or cover or trim or 850, hit the search button, and it'll bring up all of those parts that match that description. Now, because this is Black Friday weekend, or whatever you want to call it, people kicking off the end of their Christmas shopping, I have made a collection of about 14 items that I've marked down on my website 20% for the next couple of days. So for the next 3 days, if you click the link in this description, it'll take you to that collection of parts. There's 14 parts there. I labeled the collection BF Weekend 2025. If you type that in all one word, it'll bring up that collection. But if you click the link in the description area, it'll also take you to that collection. And all of those things are 20% off. I'm kind of surprised some of those things hadn't sold because a lot of people like them. I think the bigger thing is a lot of people just don't know those things are for sale on my website. So feel free to go to my website, browse the parts, use the ones that are for sale on the link below. Send requests if you need parts. I'm glad to help you guys out. And hey, I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving weekend. I hope your football team wins today. And I hope you guys are preparing for a happy and safe holiday season. So check out that link. I appreciate you tuning in. And I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.